Have you ever arrived at the airport, only to be hit with the dreaded realization that your luggage exceeds the weight limit? You're not alone. In fact, did you know that the average checked bag fee is around $30, and airlines made over $5 billion from these fees in 2019 alone? But fear not, because packing light is not only a money saver but also a game changer for your travel experience. Imagine breezing through airports, skipping baggage claim, and having everything you need in a compact carry-on. In this video, we'll explore the strategies and secrets to packing light for a 2-week vacation, focusing on essentials, efficiency, and enjoyment. From mastering the art of capsule wardrobes to tech-savvy packing tips, we've got you covered. So, grab your carry-on, and let's embark on a journey to light and liberating travel. Chapter 1. The Minimalist Mindset. Think small, pack smart. Packing light starts with a shift in your mindset. Imagine the freedom of breezing through airports without heavy luggage. Studies show that minimalist travelers report less stress and more enjoyment on their trips. It's all about making thoughtful choices and only bringing what you truly need. One key strategy is to plan your outfits ahead of time. Think about versatile pieces you can mix and match. Did you know the average person only wears about 20% of what they pack? By choosing items that work in multiple combinations, you can drastically cut down on what you bring. Consider the activities you'll be doing and the climate. Opt for clothes that are lightweight and quick drying. This way, you can easily wash and re-wear them. A great quote from The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo is, "The best way to find out what we really need is to get rid of what we don't." Apply this to your packing list. Limit yourself to 3 pairs of shoes. Comfortable walking shoes, a pair for evenings out, and maybe flip-flops if you're headed somewhere warm. Shoes take up a lot of space, so be strategic. Remember, less is more. You'll be happier and more comfortable with a lighter load. Plus, you'll have more room for souvenirs. Chapter 2. Mastering the Art of Capsule Wardrobes. Creating a capsule wardrobe is a game changer for packing light. A capsule wardrobe is a small collection of essential items that can be mixed and matched. According to a study by Forbes, having a limited wardrobe reduces decision fatigue and increases your overall satisfaction with your clothes. Start by picking a color palette. Neutral colors like black, white, gray, and beige are great because they go with everything. Then, add a few pieces in your favorite colors for variety. Choose items that layer well. For example, a lightweight sweater can be worn over a t-shirt and under a jacket. This gives you flexibility for different temperatures. A scarf can be a fantastic multi-purpose item. It can serve as an accessory, a blanket, or even a pillow on a long flight. When selecting clothing, think about fabrics. Merino wool, for instance, is odor-resistant, breathable, and dries quickly. It's perfect for travel. According to the International Wool Textile Organization, merino wool can absorb up to 30% of its weight in moisture without feeling wet. Keep accessories minimal but impactful. A statement necklace or a pair of stylish sunglasses can transform an outfit without taking up much space. The key is to be intentional and creative. With a well-planned capsule wardrobe, you'll always feel stylish and prepared, no matter where you go. Chapter 3. Tech-Savvy Traveler. Digital Packing Essentials. In the digital age, tech can significantly reduce your travel load. First, ditch the bulky guidebooks and download travel apps. Apps like Google Maps, TripIt, and Duolingo can provide navigation, itineraries, and language help all in one device. E-readers like the Kindle are perfect for avid readers. Instead of packing multiple books, you can store thousands in one lightweight device. Plus, many e-readers have long battery lives, making them ideal for travel. Another space-saving tech tool is a portable charger. A survey by Statista found that 69% of travelers consider a portable charger a travel essential. It ensures your devices are always powered, so you're never without directions or entertainment. Consider investing in a travel adapter with multiple USB ports. This way, you can charge several devices at once, saving time and outlet space. Noise-canceling headphones are also a worthy investment. They make long flights more bearable and can help you sleep better on the plane. For photo enthusiasts, a smartphone with a good camera can replace bulky cameras and lenses. With advancements in technology, many smartphones now take professional quality photos. Finally, keep your documents digital. Use apps like Google Drive or Dropbox to store copies of your passport, tickets, and other important documents. This way, you have access to everything, even if you lose the physical copies. Embracing digital tools can lighten your load and streamline your travel experience. With the right tech, you can be more organized, efficient, and connected on your adventures. Chapter 4. Toiletry Tricks. TSA-friendly and space-saving hacks. Packing toiletries can be a challenge, especially with TSA restrictions. But with a few tricks, you can pack efficiently and stay within the rules. Start by investing in travel-sized containers. These are perfect for shampoo, conditioner, and other liquids. According to a study by Mintel, sales of travel-sized products have been increasing steadily, showing the demand for convenience while traveling. Opt for solid toiletries when possible. Solid soap, shampoo bars, and toothpaste tablets are not only space-saving but also TSA-friendly. They eliminate the need for liquid toiletries altogether. Consider multi-purpose products. A moisturizer with SPF can serve as both a sunscreen and a daily moisturizer. Look for products that can do double duty to save space. Use resealable plastic bags to organize your toiletries and prevent leaks. The TSA requires liquids to be in containers no larger than 3.4 ounces and placed in a clear, quart-sized bag. Following these guidelines will help you breeze through security. For longer trips, you can purchase toiletries at your destination. This saves space in your luggage and ensures you have fresh products. Remember, less is more when it comes to toiletries. Focus on the essentials and leave the rest at home. Your carry-on will thank you. Chapter 5. Multi-purpose magic. Items that do double duty. When packing light, every item you bring should serve multiple purposes. This not only saves space but also ensures you have everything you need for your trip. One versatile item is a sarong or scarf. It can be used as a beach cover-up, a towel, a picnic blanket, or even a makeshift bag. Another multi-purpose item is a travel towel. These towels are lightweight, quick-drying, and compact, making them perfect for travel. They can double as a blanket on a chilly plane ride or a yoga mat for a quick workout. A Swiss Army knife or a multi-tool is a handy item to have. It can serve as a knife, scissors, screwdriver, and more, all in one compact package. A reusable water bottle is not only environmentally friendly but also practical. It can double as a hot water bottle or a cold pack when filled with hot or cold water, respectively. Ziploc bags are incredibly versatile. They can be used to store snacks, keep wet clothes separate, or even as a makeshift waterproof phone case. By choosing items that have multiple uses, you can significantly reduce the number of things you need to pack. Get creative and think about how each item can serve you in different ways. Chapter 6. The roll versus fold debate. Which saves more space? When it comes to packing clothes, the age-old debate of rolling versus folding is ongoing. Both methods have their pros and cons, but which one saves more space? Rolling clothes is often touted as the space-saving option. According to a study by the Wirecutter, rolling clothes can save up to 30% more space compared to folding. Rolling also helps prevent wrinkles, as the clothes are less likely to crease. This is especially useful for delicate fabrics or clothes that wrinkle easily. Folding, on the other hand, can be more organized. It allows you to stack clothes neatly in your bag, making it easier to see what you've packed. For the best of both worlds, try a combination of rolling and folding. Roll more casual items like t-shirts and jeans, and fold dressier items like button-down shirts and dresses. Ultimately, the method you choose depends on your personal preference and the types of clothes you're packing. Experiment with both to see which works best for you. Chapter 7. Layer up. The key to weather-ready packing. Packing light doesn't mean sacrificing comfort, especially when it comes to dealing with variable weather conditions. The key is to layer up strategically. Start with a moisture-wicking base layer. This helps regulate your body temperature and keeps you dry. Merino wool is a fantastic option, as it's lightweight, breathable, and odor-resistant. Add a mid-layer for insulation. A fleece or a light sweater works well for cooler temperatures. Look for materials that are warm but not bulky. For outerwear, choose a versatile jacket that can handle different conditions. A waterproof, windproof jacket is ideal for unpredictable weather. Look for one with ventilation options to prevent overheating. Pack clothing that can be layered easily. A button-down shirt can be worn over a t-shirt for added warmth, or under a sweater for extra insulation. Don't forget accessories like hats, gloves, and scarves. These items take up little space but can make a big difference in keeping you warm. By layering your clothing, you can easily adjust to changing weather conditions without having to pack bulky items. Plus, you'll be prepared for whatever Mother Nature throws your way. Chapter 8. Shoe Strategy. Packing footwear without the bulk. Shoes can take up a lot of space in your luggage, so it's essential to choose wisely. Start by considering the activities you'll be doing and the weather conditions you'll encounter. For most trips, 3 pairs of shoes are all you need. A comfortable pair of walking shoes is a must, especially if you'll be exploring cities on foot. Look for shoes that are lightweight and supportive. For evenings out or more formal occasions, a pair of dress shoes or sandals is essential. Choose a style that can be dressed up or down to maximize versatility. If you'll be heading to the beach or pool, pack a pair of flip-flops. They're lightweight and easy to pack, and they can also be worn in communal showers or around your accommodation. When packing shoes, use the space inside them to store smaller items like socks or accessories. This helps maximize space and keeps your shoes from getting squished. Consider the material of your shoes as well. Leather shoes can be bulky and take a long time to dry if they get wet. Opt for shoes made from quick-drying materials if you'll be in wet conditions. With the right shoe strategy, you can pack footwear that is both practical and stylish without taking up too much space in your carry-on. Chapter 9. Last-minute checklist. Ensuring you're travel-ready. As you prepare to embark on your journey with only a carry-on, it's essential to double-check your packing to ensure you haven't missed anything crucial. First, review your clothing choices. Make sure you have enough outfits for the duration of your trip and that they can be mixed and matched for versatility. Check your toiletries to ensure you have everything you need. Remember to pack them in a clear, quart-sized bag for easy access at security. Review your tech essentials. Make sure your devices are charged and that you have any necessary cables or adapters. Confirm your travel documents are in order. Check that you have your passport, tickets, and any visas or travel permits required for your destination. Consider any medications or health-related items you may need. Pack these in a carry-on bag so you can access them easily during your journey. Finally, double-check the weight and size restrictions for carry-on luggage with your airline. Make any last-minute adjustments to ensure your bag meets these requirements. By taking the time to review your packing and travel essentials, you can ensure a smooth and stress-free journey. With careful planning and smart packing strategies, you can enjoy your 2-week vacation with only a carry-on in tow.